Okay, this is a unique Model 313 miter door machine. It's 3-phase, 230 volt, almost like new. I know this machine we sold new. It was run for a few jobs at a shop and they went a different direction. And you can see there's a motor on each side for each spindle like this. In the cabinets here you can see the paint's not even rubbed off from the cutters. The tooling is included, and you'll see that profile there. It's a lock miter profile. So the parts go through square ends, stop here, so it cuts the miter and puts the profile, the joint in it, and then it stops in the forward position. Each side has a drill like this that runs an 8mm dowel. There's a sensor here. If the bit ever broke off in the part, it would stop the cycle so it didn't back up and take the broken bit through the carbide inserts. I know these are even the original inserts that came with it. So the right side's the same as the left. The table's got a offset in it, so when the parts overlap. The one on the left is in the bottom. The one on the right's about an inch higher, goes over it, so they can be much longer. Electrical cabinet. Thing could pass for it out of our showroom. So I'm going to run the cycle. The green button on the left starts the left spindle. Green on the right starts the right. The E-stop stops both of them. And the blue buttons on the top, there's one on each side. And a foot pedal that's for the clamping, the pneumatics here. So the parts are loaded. Foot pedal's depressed. The clamps come down. And then both hands have to be one on each blue button. Hit that. It's going to cycle forward, stop in the forward position, drill, retract the drill, and then back up and release the clamps. And then the operator switches the parts side for side. This part, here's a finished piece here. It starts out square, and the part would load like so. The profile towards the front of the machine. Slide it to the left, it hits the stop, and it would be square. So this would be filled in. When it goes past the cutter, it's going to cut this angle, the 45-degree angle, and give us that glue joint. And then when it stops, it gives us that 8mm dowel hole, which can be adjusted up and down with a digital counter, and the depth can be adjusted, but the up and down, and then the stop, where this stops this way, is adjusted right here with a stop on the front, and that's depending on your profile or where it's the thickest.